Hey Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to design a stunning ebook cover using Canva. First, if you don't have a Canva account yet, go to canva.com and sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll see Canva's intuitive dashboard, where all the magic happens. Selecting the right template. Let's start by choosing a template, and search for ebook cover in the template search bar. You'll find a variety of professionally designed templates. Pick one that suits your book's theme and genre. Remember, you can customize everything, so don't worry about finding the perfect one right away. Customizing your cover. Once you've selected your template, it's time to personalize it. Start by changing the text. Click on any text box and type in your book title, subtitle, and author's name. Adjust the font, size, color, and alignment using the toolbar at the top. Next, let's add some visuals. Canva offers a vast library of free and premium images, or you can upload your own. Simply drag and drop them into your design. To make your cover more visually appealing, use Canva's elements like shapes, icons, and illustrations. Final touches. For a professional look, make sure your cover is balanced and easy to read. Play around with the layout until everything feels right. Don't forget to add your personal branding elements, like a logo or a tagline, if applicable. Downloading your ebook cover. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download your ebook cover. Click the Share button at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format. JPEG or PNG works best for covers, and hit Download button. Your stunning ebook cover is now ready to use. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.